Welcome all. This is Shubham, and in today's session, I am going to discuss about SQL Server data types. So, main agenda for today's session: what is SQL Server data types, how to use data types, why use data types, and SQL commands. So, what is SQL Server data types? Data types ensure which type of data we have to insert in our column or variable can store in SQL Server. When we create any table or variable, it is required to specify the type of data. SQL Server data types are used to define the type of data that can be stored in a column of a SQL Server database table. There are several different types of data types available in a SQL Server, each with their own specific characteristics and uses. The most common data types in a SQL Server includes integer, decimal, characters, and dates. Integer used to store whole numbers, while decimals are used to store fractional numbers. Characters are used to store strings of text, and while dates are used to store dates and times. How to use data types? We are required to specify the data types in advance for each column of a table to ensure which type of data it can be stored. Data types specification also prevents the user from entering any unexpected or invalid information or garbage data. Using data types in SQL, it is important aspect of database design and management. The data types you choose to use for your database columns can have a significant impact on the performance and functionality of your database. When defining a column in a SQL Server database table, you must need to specify a data type for the column. There are several different data types as I already discussed. SQL command. SQL commands are the instructions used to communicate with a database to perform tasks, functions, and queries with data. There are several types of SQL commands. They are classified into total 5 categories: DDL, DPL, DML, DCL, and TCL. In, in a further slide, I will discuss in brief about these all commands. SQL command. As I earlier discussed, there are total 5 types of SQL commands: DDL, DML, DPL, DCL, and TCL. So these are 5 SQL commands are further classified into the further statements. DDL commands consist of create, drop, alter, and truncate commands. DML commands consist of insert, update, delete commands. DCL commands consist of grant and revoke. TCL commands classify into the commit, rollback, save point, and DQL in select query. So these are about the main commands. In these commands, I will discuss in brief about in next sessions. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy this video, please hit the subscribe button and join our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.